You've been told the giants of legend were myths, but deep inside your own genetic code, a massive forgotten ghost is waking up. For millennia, every culture has whispered stories of the Nephilim, the mighty ones, beings of immense stature and strength who vanished before history began. We dismissed them as folklore until we looked at the blood of the living. In the remote islands of Melanesia and the high peaks of Tibet, scientists have discovered a ghost DNA. It doesn't belong to Neanderthals. It doesn't belong to us. It belongs to the Denisovans, the real-world titans of the Pleistocene. They weren't just another branch of the human tree. They were the giants we were never supposed to find. And for some of you watching this, their blood is currently pumping through your heart. It started in 2008 in a frozen cave in Siberia. Archaeologists didn't find a city or a palace. They found a pinky bone, a fragment so small it could fit on a coin. But when the DNA was sequenced, the results sent shockwaves through the scientific community. This wasn't a small, primitive ancestor. The size of their teeth and the density of their bone structure suggested a species built for extreme power and endurance. While our direct ancestors were struggling to survive, the Denisovans were conquering the most brutal environments on Earth. They were the apex version of the human form, and then we met them. We didn't just fight them, we loved them. Through interbreeding, their super DNA was folded into our own. It wasn't a dilution, it was an upgrade that allowed us to survive the impossible. Have you ever wondered why some people have superhuman endurance? In Tibet, locals possess the EPAS1 gene, a gift from Denisovans that allows their blood to carry more oxygen at altitudes that would kill a normal human. In the Pacific, the Denisovan hook is even stronger. Modern Melanesians carry up to 5% of this giant DNA. It manifests in larger bone density, unique immune systems, and physical traits that defy the standard human blueprint. But the story doesn't end in the mountains or the islands. Geneticists are now finding ghost DNA in West Africa and parts of Europe, signals of unknown ancestors that were even larger, even older. We are a walking mosaic of lost species. When you feel a sudden burst of unexplained strength or your body survives a climate it shouldn't, you aren't just using your DNA. You are tapping into a reservoir of power left behind by the titans who came before. The Nephilim aren't buried in the dirt. They aren't hiding in the clouds. They are looking out through your eyes. The giants didn't go extinct. They just changed their address. You aren't just a person. You are a biological archive of every survivor, every explorer, and every giant that ever walked this earth. The question isn't whether they existed. The question is, what will you do with the power they left you? Look closer at your reflection. You might see someone else looking back.